Hello and welcome to OsBiTools End User Web Tools presentation. This presentation covers Page Designer End User Web Tool. Presentation will be using demo facility on app.osbitools.com application site. 30 days evaluation account for accessing this site can be received for free by sign-in on www.osbitools.com website. Link to sign up can be found in the description below this video. Web page with line chart will be created during this presentation. This presentation will be using previously created data source. For more details, please review map editor presentation that can be found on this YouTube channel. To start, open browser, navigate to application link. As you can see, the login interface is identical to the map editor. The project interface is identical with map editor as well. The file interface is similar. The differences in set of action components and, of course, in web page designer interface itself. Login with username and password that can be found in email. Let's create new project. Page designer automatically asking create new web page, so let's add one. Right panel contains set of available web widgets. To start design, let's drag and drop tab box container on the middle panel. The panel with preferences automatically opens at the bottom. The container web widget doesn't have mandatory parameters, however, header allows put icon with text. The picture of small thermometer will be used as an icon. Link for icon download can be found in the description below this video. Let's add icon to make chart look more informative and nice. The text for title is empty. In order to add any text to the output view, it needs to be first added to the list of international labels. Labels editor can be reached by clicking on the International Labels button. It is required first add language label ID. The actual text and required language can be added after. Only English will be used for now. Save and come back to web widget properties. New label is available and can be selected from drop-down list. After properties saved, the text and icon is visible in box tab. Container width needs to be set up as well, since actual chart of the legend. Setting for 495 pixels for now. Now is the time to add visual component. Drag and drop line chart web widget. The initial panel is empty, since data source is not configured yet. The mandatory properties for web widget is marked by red star. Adding all required international labels. Adding second series, since it's available in dataset. Special formatting will be set for year, since it's the date field. Setting 350 pixels width and 350 pixels height. Adding legend for the chart, since multiple series will be shown. Saving properties and clicking test button to see how it looks. Looks okay, so entire web page can be saved as well. After web page saved, it can be committed to version control. Also, it can be previewed. The preview button generates entire website, including authentication. As it visible from preview, there is one problem with page title, which was not defined. This is something I forgot set up in web page properties. Web page properties can be reached by clicking on web page name on the middle panel. There are also other parameters available for setup, including copyright. Again, saving properties, saving web page, and clicking on preview button. Now is much better. And last, just for fun, let's add animation. Chatbox in web widget properties is controlling this feature. Saving and committing this version as well. Entire preview code can be downloaded as package by right-click on web page name in the left panel. Export to website menu gives archive with entire website of what we saw in preview. Export to embedded module gives code for chart only. Such embedded module allow easily integrate chart into existing website. However, certain works to integrate module might required, for example authentication. Here is the example of how his embedded chart looks like. The text that floating around chart is a prototype of article where chart needs to be embedded. That's all for Page Designer basic functionality overview. To summarize, this presentation covered such Page Designer features as Page Designer user interface, managing international labels, building and configuring web widgets, working with properties editor, generating website preview, working with embedded version control system. Thank you for reviewing this presentation. You can look for another presentation on this video channel, and also, subscribe for this channel, to receive notification when any new future video will be added.